Gayatri to the Siddhidatri, the 9 days. We do a lot of puja and worship. As we daily do our worship, they say, work as worship, work is worship, work and worship. When the work becomes the worship, then our life becomes very full. So, on this auspicious day, we do not only that, we have as Ganesh Chaturthi is revealed in this part of Maharashtra and Goa. Likewise, in West Bengal, we have it's celebrated like Ganesh Chaturthi in Maharashtra and Goa. Exactly in Bengal, they worship Mother Durga. And if you see the Ganesh Chaturthi celebration here, exactly like that we worship. Why we pray to God? We know that when we pray to God, the Lord, who is the governor, ordinance and the destroyer, when we pray, He removes all our obstacles which is there and leads us to the higher goal or higher path. Normally, when we during Durga Puja or any festival, we do upvas. Normally, upvas means fasting without taking anything, without taking any food. Why we don't take much food and do worship? Because when we take food, what happens? We can't remember ourselves. That's why we take less than to think about God. Not only that, in Sanskrit it is very beautifully puts it, the explanation is there. Every word like Om. They say upavas. Upa means near, vas means staying. Staying near whom? Kiske paas rehna? Up means paas or is rehna. Staying near God. Upavas. Upavas, taking less, thinking about the Lord. You can think about the Lord when you take less. Not only that, upavas. Staying near. Up, staying near. Up means near. Vas means staying. Staying near whom? God. And then upari was staying in a higher plane. So these are the everything. Now in this we see the Lord Ganesha. You see, there's one significance here. Mother Durga with Saraswati, the bestower of knowledge, and also the remover of obstacles, Ganesh. Ganesh here, Lord Ganesh also teaches a great lesson to all of us. When Mother Parvati told you have to go around the Kartikeya is also there was a competition, small competition. You go around the world 3 times. Who will come first, he will be given the prize. Kartikeya went with this peacock round, but what Ganesha did, he went round the parents, 3 times. That's what they say. 2 ऋण चुका नहीं सकते बोलते कि माता पिता का और गुरु का. So Ganesha proved that mother is everything, father is everything. That's why in the family, family word itself, father and mother I know. So the whole thing, our main purpose of this worship is to remove the obstacles whichever is there, either in whichever, in the business, in education. Mother Saraswati will bestow the knowledge. Whatever is there, we pray to Mother Durga, who is she is the remover of all our obstacles. In this auspicious occasion, the Bengali Association and a lot of people here, they also will be speaking about what is the significance of this occasion. I will not take much time because still a few more and then our Chief Minister also will be coming. So we pray to the Lord with Lord Ganesha, Mother Saraswati and Mother Durga on this auspicious occasion. Let them bless us all and give us their choicest blessings to remove the obstacles and move forward in life.
नवरात्रोत्सव आणि येता त्या दसऱ्याच्यो तुमकां शुभेच्छा दिता. आणि बाप केतनान म्हटलें म्हाका प्रार्थना म्हणून नमन तन्नो यंत्रम तदपिचन जाने. हांवें म्हटलें खूब जाणां ती कळची ना. त्या खातीर म्हटलें फुडल्या फावटी पयलीं तांकां दिवया, तांकां शिकोवया आनी मागीर आमी आमची तयारी करून तुमच्या मुखार येवया. सो डेफिनेटली ही प्रार्थना कितें आसा हें आय वील गिव एवरीथींग टू द कमिटी. स्वामीजी नोज दॅट. ही जी दुर्गा माता आसा ती आपली आई कशी आसा आनी जशी आपली आवय खंयच्याय भुरग्याचे कितलेय गुन्हे माफ करता, आपल्या पोटांत घेता, तशेंच हें दुर्गा मातेचें आसा. आमी जर मना पसून तिचे कडेन गेले आनी आमचे जे गुन्हे आसा ते माफ करून सांगले जाल्यार नक्कीच ही दुर्गा माता आमकां माफ करता. आनी तशेंच तिची आख्यायिका आसा की जे कितें करता तशें स्वामीजीन सांगलें, दुसऱ्याक कारणा शिवाय त्रास करप, यू कॅन से एविल्स, ह्या सगळ्याक जर नश्ट कोणी केले आसत जाल्यार ते दुर्गा मातान केले. आनी ताजी आमकांय गरज आसा. आमकां खूब हातूंत आज तश्यो गोश्टी आसा. आनी आज म्हाका खूब आनंद जाता कारण अशो हो जो सण आसा 9 दिसांचो, वी कॉल 9 days, आमच्या गोंयच्या हातूंतले हांव सांगता, आमी जेन्ना आषाढ सोंपता आनी श्रावण चालू जाता तेन्ना आमचे खरे उत्सव चालू जाता. आनी सबंद श्रावण म्हयन्यांत, श्रावण वॉट वी कॉल इज इंडियन कॅलेंडर, एज पर इंडियन हिंदू कॅलेंडर, ह्या हातूंत आमी सगळे उत्सव जशे नोंद केल्ले आसा त्या प्रमाणे करीत आसता. आनी त्या नंतर श्रावण सोंपलो की बरोबर 5 दिसांनी आमची चवथ येता. चवथ म्हणजे गणरायाची, जशें स्वामीजीन सांगलें की ताणें सबंद पृथ्वीची प्रदक्षिणा केली आनी जेन्ना आवयक आपल्या प्रदक्षिणा घातली आनी ताणें सांगलें की आपूण सगळें पृथ्वीची प्रदक्षिणा केली ताजे हे करता. आनी ताजो उत्सव हो आमी 1.5 दीस, 5 दीस, 7 दीस, 9 दीस, 11 दीस आनी 21 दीस मनयता. आनी 21 दीस जाले नंतर आमी गोंयकार आसूं किंवा इतर जे हांगा आसतात ते नवरात्रोत्सव चालू जाता. आनी हो नवरात्रोत्सव सादारण 9 दिसांचो आसा. त्या नंतर दसरा जाता आनी इमिडिएट आफ्टर 15 days फ्रॉम दसरा our Diwali उत्सव which is yours also from north side तो सेलिब्रेट जाता. म्हणजे हे सगळे ह्या 3 महिन्याच्या अंतरान जाता, हे लक्षात दवर. आनी हे आमच्या संस्कृतीक, भारतीय संस्कृतीक बसता. आज म्हाका खूब उमेद जाता हांगा येवन उलयता आसतना, कारण बंगाली एसोसिएशन जेन्ना 2018तल्यान म्हजे म्हऱ्या आयले तेन्ना पसून ह्या ना त्या कारणान हांव तांच्या हातूंत आसा. म्हाका उमेद जाता की बरें काम जेन्ना खंयचें आसामान करता, खंयचें एसोसिएशन करता, ताका सपोर्ट करप हें आपलें कर्तव्य आसा. आनी त्याच भावनेंतल्यान आज पर्यंत स्वता ज्यो गोश्टी करपाक जाय त्यो करतात. पूण अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू गूड थिंग्स टू द पब्लीक or to the state of Goa, I am always with you. Definitely let us be together for this occasion. आणि इतल्यान मागता देवा कडेन, देवी कडेन की जशें आमकां आमच्या प्रार्थने नमन्नं नवयंत्रं ददपि जनजाने स्तुतिमो नच आह्वानं ध्यानं तुझे पूजनाने स्तुतिकथा, ही जी प्रार्थना आसा तशी जशी आपली आवय आपल्या भुरग्याचे ज्यो गोश्टी पोटांत घेता तशेंच आमच्यो चुको आमकां देवीन माफ करचे, देवीन आमकां बरे विचार दिवचे, बरी शक्ती दिवची.
त्याच प्रमाणे स्वामीक नमस्कार करता. हांव तांच्या बरोबर मठार बसून स्वामी कडल्यान थोडें शिक्षण घेतिल्लें आनी स्वामीन म्हाका एक सुंदरसो बूक दिल्लो, लायफ वीथ पेन एंड विदाउट पेन. तो वीथ पेन एंड विदाउट पेन आमकां बऱ्याक पडटा, कारण म्हजें वी अंडरस्टँड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वीथ पेन वॉट स्वामी टोल्ड अस. that when you expect things, you get pain. And when you don't expect, there will be no pain. So that is what we hear from Swami. So I would always cherish that moment. Sushant told me what you said. I am thankful to ZP Priyachari, my Sarpanch, Naved Tasildar, Panch, Babu Chari, my friends, my well-wisher and guide Rajesh Dhavalikar, and for whom I am present on the stage today, my leader Sri Sudin Dhavalikar. I pray to Almighty that we all get strength, success, happiness, load of love and lot of wealth, because wealth only gives everything more of it. So with all the strength of Durga Devi, Shakti Devi, Navadurga Devi, we get all good health. I pray. I've been closely associated with the Bengali Association from last 3 to 3.5 years, and I promise in coming years, whatever best possible from my side, with blessings of Sri Sudin Dhavalikar and his guidance, I will always be there to support you. Once again, my thanks to Sri Swamiji for all the blessings and support. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.